In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Shopify store and then connect it to Printify so that you are able to do your print on demand through Printify. So why is this important? On this channel, I've been showing you how you can connect your Printify to Etsy and sell your products that way, how you can sell your books on KDP, and how you can do your other businesses online. When it comes to places like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and many other businesses, the good thing is that there are already customers there who are looking for the products that we sell, and so it's easier for us to start selling as beginners. Now, but another thing that we have to understand is that we don't have control over those platforms. I've seen many people where Amazon has blocked their accounts and they don't actually know why Amazon blocked their account. Etsy keep changing its policy. Like now, if you're on Etsy, you will know what is happening. Just to cut the long story short, because we don't have control over those platforms, it is always an amazing thing for you to have your own place where you can have control. Now, when it comes to Shopify, the amazing thing about Shopify is that you can do anything on Shopify. You can sell your books, you can sell your print on demand, you can do affiliate marketing, you can create your blog post on Shopify, you can build your email list, you can do drop shipping, whatever thing that you want to do, you can do it on Shopify. Now, most of the time when people start, they get so confused because there is so much for you to do, especially when it comes to something like print on demand. You are going to see when we go to the print on demand platform, there are so many products that you can sell, and so people get confused and they start selling so many things. That's not the best way to do your business. In order for you to do business, the first important thing that I want you to think about is to think about the person that you want to serve. There is a problem that you want to solve. For you to be able to succeed in business, there must be a problem that you are solving. And who are you solving that problem for? So when you have that ideal person in your mind, now any product that you are creating, you are targeting that same person. For example, let's say that we want to target a Christian mom or a Christian woman who is so busy, for example. Now, anything that you are doing, let's say that you are creating a coloring book, you are going to create that coloring book for that Christian woman, and so you can put that book on your shop. Let's say you are doing a t-shirt, you are going to create that t-shirt for that Christian woman. Let's say you are doing affiliate marketing, you are going to sell products that that Christian woman wants. And so that's how easy it is for you to be able to niche down and then build your shop. Even though you have just this one shop, but you are able to do many more businesses on that shop. So that's how, when I talk to us about building multiple streams of income, that is exactly how to do it. So you can go ahead on overfin.com and you'll be able to check out my website. My goal is to be able to show you examples of what I am doing so that you can follow step by step and grow your own business. So now when it comes to my website, the main idea that I have is to help people to be able to build multiple streams of income. And so with that idea, I know exactly who I'm targeting. So anything I'm putting on my website, the goal is to be able to create a solution for that person that I'm trying to help. So I'm sure you get the idea now. So now just think about it. What is the problem that you want to solve? When you figure that out, you know exactly the kind of product that you are creating for that person. You can go ahead and watch this other video where I'm explaining how you can actually decide on the kind of person that you want to target. And so when you've decided, you've made up your mind, you can go ahead and look for a name that is going to be able to suit your brand. For example, my website, I call it Overfin. So Overfin is something that is easy, somebody can easily remember. So when you type overfin.com, you are going to see my website. And now, how did I get this name? Overfin comes from overcomer, fin comes from my name Delphine. That is how I combine it to make Overfin. Now, when you look at many different businesses outside there, just think about Google. You see that the name is so easy for you to call, the name is so easy for you to remember, it's memorable. So now go ahead and create your name that is memorable, something that when people think about, they'll be able to figure out that solution that you are giving them. Let that not be anything that will hinder you. So at this point, I want you to go down to the link down below, and there's going to be a Shopify link there. So with that link, you are able to sign up completely for free, and you are going to have 3 days of free trial. And after that, you pay just $1. So it's a promotion that is going on, so you can take advantage of that promotion. So now when you click on that link, it's going to bring you right here. So go ahead and put your email here. So now most of the time when you already have an idea, you can create an email that you can use for your brand. So that email, for example, with my name, so my email can be overfin@gmail.com. So that email, that's what I'm going to take and use here. So now this is my email, overfin@gmail.com. I'm just going to click here and I'm going going to start my free trial. So you don't need to worry about all this information. You can just come here and skip all right here. You can always do it later. It's not any problem. So now here I'm in the US, and then I'm just going to click next. So just go ahead and put your email again, and then it's going to bring you here, and then you just follow everything. Now our shop is going to be connected. So now it's just going to take its time, and then it's going to generate our shop. Just like that, we have created our Shopify shop. So what is stopping us of our commerce? Here, the good thing about Shopify is that even if you don't know what to do, it has given you a step-by-step guide. And I also have an article that I've written on my website. I'm going to put the link down below. If you have somebody who likes to read instead, you can follow the article step by step. So I want you to come here, click here that says online store, and now you can see themes here. You just come, you scroll down here. Yeah, you see this place that says visit theme store. You just click here. You are going to see many different themes that Shopify has. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. You can just look through and see the one that resonates with you, the kind of business that you are doing. So let's just come, for example, here, and then you click here. This one will give you just the free ones, and this one will give you just the pay one. So you can search like that and see which one you want. So let's just say we want to take a free one, right? We are just going to come here. So let's take this one, done. It's a very nice theme. I've used this particular one before. You just come here. Now you come here, you just try this theme. So now when you do that, it's going to generate your theme for you, and then it's going to bring it like this. The next thing that we have to do is just to customize your theme. So you just come here, click here on customize, and if you want to change a banner, you just come here to select image, just like that. No result is found yet. So you just come here. So you just come here to upload image. Go to your desktop and get any image that you've generated. You can use Kiddo to be able to generate something like this, and then you just go ahead and upload it just like that. So when you upload, you just click done, and now it's going to bring it here like this. So now we have our banner here that is showing that maybe we are going to be selling the clothing, but put a banner that resonates with the shop, with the kind of business that you want to do. So right here I just have Del Tam. So I'm calling this shop Del Tam. So Del is for my first name and Tam is for my last name. So those are the ways that you can make your memorable shop. You can make something that people can easily remember. If I say Del Tam, what is it that people are going to think about? So now we have this setup right here, and then you just come here and save. Every time you do anything, you just make sure you are saving it. So now you come here, you click on this setting. You can put your logo here. If there is any logo that you want to make, you just go ahead and add it here, just the same thing. So I've made this logo called Del Tam, just the same like my brand name, Del Tam. Now we can see our logo right here. So every time you do anything, you just remember to come here and save. So now at this point, what we are going to do is that we want to add our product. Now if you are selling digital product, you want to add a product, you are going to come here to app, and then you are going to download an app that is called digital product. I'm going to show you that in subsequent videos and show you how you can also connect your digital products on your shop. But today we are just going to use Printify. So now that we have set up our Shopify, we are going to go ahead and connect our Printify to Shopify. So when it comes to print on demand, it just means that when a customer buys your product on Shopify, since you've connected it to Printify, Printify is going to print that product and then ship it directly to your customer. This is something that can easily become passive, but you need to put in the upfront work. In order for you to connect your shop, I want you to come down to this place that says setting, right? You come down to the setting right here, and then right here you are going to see your shop right here. So you go ahead and copy your shop. Go down to Printify, create an account. If you don't have an account, follow the link down below and you'll be able to create your account, and you can create it completely for free. So now in order for you to connect your shop, just come here. You are going to see all your other shops that you have here, and then now it says add a new store. You click here. Now this is Shopify here. You just click on Shopify and then go ahead and paste your link right here, and then you are going to connect. So when you connect it like that, that is all you need to do. Now you've already connected your Printify to Shopify. So all the products that are existing here on Printify, you can sell them on Shopify. But my advice to you is that don't do that. Make sure that you are niching down and selling to a particular audience. For example, you can say Christian girls, you can say Christian woman. Just make sure that you are niching down so that the person that you are targeting, you can sell many different products. You can do your KDP, affiliate marketing, print on demand, drop shipping. You can do all of this, but selling to that particular audience, right? I'm sure you get it. So now the only thing that you have to do is just to click here and install. So Printify is now installed on your Shopify. Now the next thing I want you to do is just to come here to browse product and then look for any best-selling product that you want to design. Let's say this is a product we want to sell. You just come ahead, you just go ahead, you click on it like this. So one thing that I always do is that I'm going to scroll down, because Printify is a platform that has many different suppliers and anybody can do this from anywhere around the world. That is the amazing thing. So now just scroll down, look at their shipping time, look at the variations that they are selling, look at their shipping time. That's most important. And when you've decided on which one you want, I personally always use this one. I like this one because it has really, look at it, you see it has so many different variations and the shipping time is not too much. So you can see that the production time is just 1.5 days and you can see all the sizes that they have. They have so many sizes. Now you can just come here and then you say start designing. So now I'm going to go ahead and upload a design that I have, and then I'll upload from my device. Now you can follow this video that I've already done showing you how to design your own products. So now our design has added. We cannot see much because it's white, so I want to make it black. So I'm just going to come here to select variations, and now these are different colors. I'm just going to take this one so you can see how beautiful our design is. Trust God with your plans. So I have the Bible verse there. So that is how it's going to look. Another good thing is that you can come here and you can preview it and see how it's going to look on a t-shirt, and you can see it how it's going to look when somebody is wearing it. So that is one amazing feature. So you see how it looks right here, and then when it's like this, you can go ahead and see. So when you do all of that, you just check the sizes, the different colors that you want. Now when you want to edit, you can just come back here. You can choose any variation from here, from sizes, from colors. You just go ahead and choose anyone. So when you've decided on everything that you want to do, you just come here and then you click save product. Now you just come here, fix the title. Whatever thing that you are putting here, you should be very careful about your search engine. So whatever information that you are putting here, it should be something that when people are searching online, they'll be able to find your t-shirt. And you don't need to worry so much about this because you can still edit it on Shopify. Now you can choose the different sizes that you want. These are the different sizes that they are supplying. And now when it comes to the prices, you see that this is the profit that you are going to be making, and you can still come here and edit the price. Let's say you want a particular profit. Let's say you wanted to be making like $10, or you wanted to be making like $15 of profit. You just go ahead and change it like that, and then you apply. So you'll be able to see the profit that you are making right here. So now at this point, if you go ahead and publish, then you are going to publish with all these variations. So let's go ahead and just click publish. So now that we have published, we see that our product has been published. So let's go now to our Shopify. So when you come to Shopify, you see you click on that product, you will see that the product that we just did is here, is active. So when you click on it like this, you can see everything about the product that we just posted. Now you can edit this as much as you want. If you want to make any changes here, you go ahead and change them. And one good thing about Shopify too is that when you come here, it has an AI function. You can put anything there and it's going to generate the description for you. It's so exciting how easily we can do this. And then when you click here to preview, you'll be able to preview your product. And so this is how it's going to look when people want to buy. But when you want to do something like this, you don't need to export all the product because you see it's just too much. So just make sure that you are cleaning up and not exporting everything. Just take only few and export. So these are the two colors that we brought here. So if you had many different colors, they'll all be here, and all the different sizes. If somebody wants to buy two, they are just going to add it like that to their cart, and then go ahead and add it, and they'll just go ahead and buy. So now the only thing that you have to do now, and you can see the price is right here. So now if you come here to our store, you will see that we have our store here. We have the home catalog contact. So these are things that we can customize on our shop, and we can just come here and we can go ahead and add many different things here. We can add like our blog, and every time we write an article, we can put affiliate links inside that article, and you can do drop shipping. Anything that you want to do, you know, you should do it, but just make sure that it's related to your brand. And now in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Shopify. So So overcomers, I can't wait to see our shops. If you want to learn more, you can just go ahead and go to overfin.com and then see my own shop and just see the things that I am doing. That will give you ideas how I'm building my shop, and you can get some ideas from there and also make your own shop. If you are struggling and you still don't know how to put everything together and you want to work with me one-on-one, there is a form down below. Spots are limited. You can go ahead and sign up the form, and then we are going to see you on the other side. If you watch this video up to this point, I want you to put in the comment section that building my brand. That will make me to know that you watched the video up to the end. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe and become a part of the family. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid